In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix unable to send on Facebook Messenger. So step number one, we want to head over to Messenger here. And then once we open that up, you then want to go to the bottom right hand corner, click on more. And then from here, if we go to settings at the top, and now we need to scroll down until we see the option for report a problem. Click on this. You want to go to the bottom, click on report anyway. And then you want to select include or don't include, whichever you prefer. And then you will then be on this page here. So what you can do is just enter in something simple like this. So you want to write in something like, my messenger is unable to send. Can you assist in fixing this, please? Now what this will do is it will report this problem over to Facebook, and they will then be able to investigate and assist you in fixing the problem that you are having. If you want to, you can also add a screenshot of your messenger being unable to send. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix messenger unable to send.